To use Google Lens in your laptop, open google.com website. Now after that, you can click on this lens icon here. And suppose if you want to know anything about any image that is saved in your laptop, select this option, upload a file. Then upload the picture. And then you will see the details about the picture here. And you will see websites that will tell about the picture. Now suppose if you go to this website images.google.com, and if you find any image which is in foreign language and want to translate in your own, then you will see this Google Lens icon here. Click on it. Click on this translate button here, and then you will see what is mentioned in that picture.